ProArt PZ13 laptop driver. So this is websites, officially website of asus.com. Click on this. You can check different tag on the same model number, and here to go with like down arrow and click to support. And you can, if you want to check warranty, so you click to warranty and type serial number and your service number. Then click to driver and utility. Operating system. Is for USB support pack, LAN card means your internet driver, your ELAN on touch, okay, touchpad driver. Again, this is touchpad driver. Which one latest? This. Okay, this one latest. Touchpad firmware, control internet interface, sound driver. So all are there. So I show you how to install. Like we are try to install Realtek. This is LAN driver. So click to download. It will install, download, and then single click to this setup. And then click to yes. Then okay. Next, I agree. Next, install. Okay. So from car reader to try one by one, same installations process I show you earlier. Okay, and then restart your system.